Hello friends, welcome to our channel Amish Tutors. So today we are going to learn about order of operations. So this rule is very important to follow whenever there are more than one operation. Operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In a particular question, if you have more than one operations, it can be either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or you may have even exponents, you may have even many brackets. So we should do it in the correct order to arrive at the correct answer. If we do it in a wrong order, we may end up with the wrong answer. So knowing the order of operations is very important in maths. So that is what we are going to learn about. And actually it is called in many ways. So as you can see, BIDMAS or BODMAS or PEMDAS. All are same rule and same order only, but called in different way. So as you can see, B for brackets, P for parenthesis, both are same. So brackets to be done first. And I or O or E, all of them means indices. I for indices, it is also called exponent or order. It can be second order or third order. That is called the second operation, which is indices. So you should finish the brackets first, come to indices or exponents, and next comes division and multiplication, or it can be multiplication and division. As you can see here, multiplication and division takes the same rank. Also, addition and subtraction takes the same rank as well. What we have to do, we have to follow the direction left to right always. That is also very important to be followed. So what we are going to do, whether it is multiplication or division, whichever comes first on the left side, that is what we are going to perform. Similarly, among addition and subtraction, whichever comes first on the left side, that is what we are going to finish first. So this is the rule. These are the order of operations. So this is how you will decide what order to be followed or calculation should be done. So I hope you understand. We will look at some examples. With more practice, you will understand the topic more clearly. So first question, 10 minus 7 brackets 3 plus 2 plus 7 square. So let me write the order here. We will follow any one name, no problem. All of them same meaning only, same order. Let's use BODMAS. Brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So here we have subtraction, addition, brackets, order or exponent also we do have. So what is the first operation to be followed? Brackets. So let me use a different color. We need to do 3 plus 5 first. Let me write 10, keep it same, 7, let it be there, 3 plus 5, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, plus, you can actually keep 7 square and do the exponents in the next step, or if you want to do it here itself, no problem. So what is next? Brackets, order, 7 square. 7 squared is 49. So you can do this 49 in the next step as well as here. No problem. Now we do have brackets or multiplication, subtraction, addition. Which comes next? Obviously multiplication. We need to multiply 7 and 5 or bracket. You can call it as bracket. So 7 5s are 35. And everything else we are writing as it is. Now we have subtraction and addition. As I have already mentioned, you can see addition first and subtraction next in the rule. But as I said, we need to follow left to right. Whichever comes first, that needs to be performed first. So subtraction goes first. What is 10 minus 35? I hope you know the integer rules. Whenever two different signs, you have to take away the smaller one from the larger and keep the sign of the larger number. So here difference is 25 and the larger number is negative, that is by negative 25. Plus write the next number as it is. That's all. The final step, the final operation is addition. How much is negative 25 plus 49? Okay, it's 24. This is the answer. I hope you understand how to apply the order of operation one by one. Because following the correct order is important to get the correct answer. If you would have followed different order while performing this question, you may go wrong with the steps as well as with the final answer. So we need to be very careful in performing the correct order. BODMAS or PEMDAS or PEMDAS. Okay, now let's look at one more example. Here we have bracket, two brackets, parenthesis also called brackets, and we have subtraction, exponent, division, multiplication, addition. There are many operations in this question. Little difficult, little harder than the previous. So let me write BODMAS. You can remember any one name. It can be either BODMAS or PEMDAS, whatever it may be, same order only. Some countries follow PEMDAS, mostly USA, UK. Some countries follow BODMAS. Tell it as BODMAS. Okay, now let's finish the bracket first. Here, this bracket. While doing that, we have to do this innermost bracket. And then only we are going to add the 9 final step. So let's do this part first. And when you do that, you can do this bracket first. Isn't it? Now, you can even do 6 square. It is not going to affect. You can do both of them in the same step. Or you can do it in the next step. That is not a problem. So 6 squared is 36 minus, in this bracket, we have two operations, divisions and multiplication. As I said, we have to follow from left to right. So 12 divided by 3 first, which is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. That's all. We finish the bracket completely. So what you can do, you can even write this separately. You can divide 4, write 4 in the first step. And in the next step, you can multiply 4 times 5 and show the steps. But even if you do directly like this, no problem at all. Now, we have to finish the bracket first. This one, left side, subtraction. Well, how much is 36 minus 20? 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 equals 25. That's all. This is the final answer. So I hope you understand this particular question step by step, each and every step. So we did exponents first, 6 squared, which is 36, minus, we have to finish this bracket next. Inside the bracket, we do have two operations, division and multiplication. So we followed from left to right. Left side, division, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and then go for multiplication. 4 5s are 20. So this step you can even write without the bracket, doesn't matter. 36 minus 20 is 16. Finally, the final step is adding 9 with 16, which gives us 25. Okay. So let's do much more harder now. Example 3. Can you see here? It is called nested parenthesis. Nested means you have mini brackets. You have nest of brackets. That is why it's called nested parenthesis. Again, we have to start from the innermost bracket. So here, this is the outermost bracket, and this comes next. let me name them. This is the innermost. 1, 2, 3. The pair. So we have to do the innermost. This is first. So here addition and multiplication. Let me write the rules. I mean the rule BODMAS. Which is first among addition and multiplication? Obviously multiplication comes first. So we have to do this part first. 6 2s are 12. Now 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. So the next step will become 3 times 5 brackets 15 minus 125. So we finish the innermost brackets, which is equal to 15. So I have 20 here. I need to write that. Divided by 10 is outside. Now, what next? BODMAS. So as I said, this bracket next. You can see 2 to the second innermost bracket to be finished. And inside the second innermost bracket, we have this multiplication and this again multiplication and then subtraction. So we can do left to right. Or you can even finish this brackets first. 5 17s. 5 17s are, 5 15s are 75. Now, this is also multiplication. How much is 75 times 3? 225. Very good. Next step, 225 minus 125. So we finish the second innermost. Now you can subtract in the same step. 225 minus 125 is 100. So I am going to write 100 directly. 100 plus this comes 20 divided by 10. So let me repeat it. So what we did initially, we did the innermost bracket first. Among the addition and multiplication to be done first. That is why 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Now 5 is outside the bracket, which is multiplication. 3 also there. 3 times 5 times 15 minus 125. That is bracket 2, innermost brackets 2. So we are trying to finish it next, which is multiplication and subtraction. So we did the multiplication first according to the order or the rule. So 3, 5 15s are 75. 75 3s are 225. So to finish this bracket, I need to do the subtraction next. 225 minus 125 is 100. And again, I'm going out of the bracket as I finished this already. Plus 20. Now 100 plus 20. 120 divided by 10. The final outside we do have 10. Now 120 divided by 10 is simply 12. This is the final answer. So don't panic if there are many operations, if there are many parentheses like this. You have to do the same order only, BODMAS. Follow the rule correctly without missing, without misarranging. Also, if there are many brackets, start from the innermost bracket. I hope you understand the order of operations, friends. Okay. Hope this video was helpful to you. See you in my next video. If you like this video, you can like, comment, share, and also subscribe to our channel, Amaze Tutors. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.